Welcome back, lovelies. It's your girl Jasmine, aka Jazzy or Jazzy Jet Sets, and I have a short and sweet Monday reset vlog for you. It's so quiet. So if you've been following me, if you've been a jet setter, then you know that I never miss a Monday in the gym, or at least I try not to ever miss a Monday in the gym. So of course, that's how we start off the day. Also, I get a lot of questions about my trainer and my training, so I'm definitely gonna do a vlog on that soon too. The rest of the day, you'll be getting work, cleaning, and just a lot of ASMR vibes. So let's get into it. So it is Monday. It's actually the start of Pisces season and the start of March. So I knew that a deep clean was necessary. So I literally started cleaning as soon as I hit the door from the gym. Like I wasn't playing any games. So I recognize that this shot makes me look like a bit of a serial killer, an American Psycho, if you will. But I promise I'm not, despite what some of my exes may say about me. So as you can see, we have not hit 10 a.m. yet, and I'm basically on my second morning. So now I'm sitting down to do a little bit of work and get my workday started while I'm still cleaning. I work on the US Eastern Standard Time as well as South Africa time. So honestly, some days I'm working around the clock, y'all. I'm also back on my plant mommy wave, and I'm so happy and excited. I'm also just a little bit nervous. If you're not like a plant person, but you need to learn patience, I feel like this is definitely a hobby that will help you with it. Like it really forces you to pay attention to the plants and to respond to them when they need you to respond and to like figure out what they need. And I feel like somebody like myself who can be quite rough and impatient, having plants has really been helpful for me.
like it's stuck to the sides. But maybe that means I'm not using enough liquid? Mm-mm. The shake is not good. And you know, it's because I didn't use a bunch of different fruits. I think this will take us to the next level. We do look crazy, but just wanted to say, adding ice definitely helped. I'm sure the almond milk actually helped as well. I guess I'm just wondering, like, are they ever good? Or is it like, no, it's not supposed to be good. It's tolerable. Just drink it, you know? But anyways, cheers.
I've been struggling with smoothies, guys. I feel like every single one that I make sucks. But anyways, I also try to make sure I journal every morning. I feel like it is the best way to ground myself. Besides, I am writing a book, so I need to make sure that I am getting into the habit of writing. I just have a list of goals that I really want to accomplish for myself this year, and writing and taking it seriously is definitely one of those things. So I hope to take you on that journey with me. So I am an aesthetics girl just like the best of them. So I love a eucalyptus in the shower, but guys, it literally only lasts for like a week. And I always feel like, why don't I just put eucalyptus oil in the shower? Because having the plant in there, it dries out so fast. And then I'm just like, okay, who am I doing this for? Like, let's be more practical. But anyways, back to cleaning. And I literally just do different tasks. I don't clean all in one fell swoop, as you can see, because now I need to sit back down and get back to work. Like, it's early morning in the US now on the East Coast, so it's time for me to like jump back into things. But it is now lunchtime in SA. Listen, that rotisserie chicken from your local grocery store, don't sleep on it, okay? My friends do it here in SA, my friends do it back in DC. Like, this will save your life, especially if you're a gym girly and trying to get on a specific type of diet. Make sure you have your protein. You can have it with salads, you can have it with other things. Listen, get that chicken, baby. I think I got these from a few places. A couple are from Rwanda, a couple are from here, South Africa. I kind of just collect one or two whenever I travel to certain places. Which, speaking of travel, I'm very excited. I will be doing a lot more traveling starting Q2, starting in April. I'm so excited to be ready to explore the Southern African countries. I've been in SA for 5 years, and it makes no sense that I have not been to Namibia yet. So that is basically going to be first on our list. Like, I'm about to go crazy. So if you guys have suggestions, if you have cities that I should visit, what I should do, please let me know, because I will be sifting through the comments to figure out what exactly I need to do. I just rambled a lot, but I am sitting here working because we are in the thick of it. Okay, so this is the tough part because you've had a long day, you are now having a glass of wine, but work is not finished yet. It's about 2:30 p.m. in New York, and also I'm on a deadline. So yeah, you can end up working around the clock when you earn dollars living in SA, but we move. So I finished the evening around 9, maybe a little bit after, and then I was so happy I could finish my wine, finish my severance, and head to bed pretty early. I'm pretty sure I was in bed before 10, and honestly, I just feel like, where is my husband, Lord? I can't keep living like this. So yeah, friends, please like, subscribe, and comment a husband for me.